Good morning, K2. Nice to meet you, guys. My name is Saruon. How are you, guys? Yeah, I hope you are fine. And for me, it's good. Today is Friday of 11 September 2020. So welcome back to our class. Time to learn with math. Okay, here is our exercise that teacher want to complete with the missing number. Okay, so now let's start. I have number 1 and one number that is complete here. After 1 is 2. Okay, good. And then 3. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here teacher has the middle number 5. Okay. Number 5. So before number 5 is 4. 4, 5, and the next number is 6. Very good. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So now in the middle whiteboard, teacher has two numbers. The first number, what number is it? It's 9. Okay, number 9, number 9, number 9. So number 9 has two steps. Okay, how to write number 9? Up, curve, middle. And second step, up and straight. Here, number 9. And the next number here we say 10. 10. Number 10. Number 10 has number 1 and number 0. Number 1 has one step and 0 up, around, down. Okay, so today we learn number 9 and number 10. Here, how to write number 9 on the line. 9, 9 and 10 has number 1 and 0. Yes, so today we learn number 9 and number 10. Number 9 and number 10. Thank you kids for watching this video. I hope you can write number 9 and number 10. And don't forget do exercise below. Thank you kids. Goodbye.